How to play Helldivers 2 multiplayer. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you play Helldivers 2 multiplayer. So while the original Helldivers was an amazing game, Helldivers 2 is already showing significant improvements and is set to be one of the top multiplayer experiences of 2024. However, enjoying the exceptional multiplayer of the game might be challenging if you face difficulties joining the session. Thankfully, Helldivers 2 offers a wide range of multiplayer options that are relatively easy to navigate. Unfortunately, there are some complexities that can make joining and staying in the sessions more challenging than expected. With that said, here is everything you need to know to dive into the excitement. Helldivers 2 is a third-person shooter that focuses on cooperative gameplay. It allows up to 4 players to enter a hostile environment, complete objectives, and combat large enemy armies. After finishing the objectives, players need to request extraction and survive a final wave of enemy assaults until the dropship arrives. After that, players can upgrade their abilities and gear and adjust their loadouts as needed. Apart from the intense combat, one standout feature of the Helldivers 2 multiplayer is its emphasis on stratagems and other strategic combat choices. Stratagems are customizable abilities similar to those in the real-time strategy game that squads use in the combat. Success in the Helldivers 2 often hinges on coordinating which stratagem to use, where and when to deploy them. Additionally, players must communicate effectively to coordinate their positions, loadouts, and available resources. Helldivers 2 stand out for demanding communication and coordination among players like few other co-op actions. Another unique aspect of the Helldivers 2 multiplayer is the real-time influence of its developers. The Helldivers 2 team can make to an ongoing match in real time, adding an element. While the specifics of their abilities are not entirely clear, these interventions aim to keep matches dynamic and engaging. Talking about co-op multiplayer in Helldivers, in order to unlock that, complete the tutorial mission. Although the tutorial is solo only, it provides a brief and helpful introduction to the game. After finishing, which typically takes 20 to 30 minutes, you can play with others. Unfortunately, Helldivers 2 does not offer couch co-op initially. In fact, the game lacks any local multiplayer options. Without multiple devices, screens, and copies of the Helldivers 2 in the same location, playing together outside of the online matching is impossible. So the absence of the couch co-op in the Helldivers 2 may stem from the game's demanding nature, making split-screen play feasible. This necessity is driven by the game's technical requirements and the need for the comprehensive view of the combat area. While Arrowhead Game Studios hasn't officially explained the lack of couch co-op or ruled out its potential addition in the future, the game truly shines when played with the cooperative friends. To invite the friends to your Helldivers 2 session, navigate to the Options menu and access the Social tab. Here you can view your friend list, see players and you recently engaged with, and add them as friends. You can promptly invite them to your group or share your friend code located at the bottom of the page, and your friends can join the game if your matchmaking preference is set to open to friends. Conversely, selecting invite only means that you must extend invitations for others to join your squad. This was all about how to play Helldivers 2 multiplayer. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.